Hello student, this is the 19th part of permutations and combinations. Permutations concept completed. Today I am going to start combination concept. Okay, first of all I want to define the definition of combination. After that I will explain what is the difference between permutation and combination. Students, combination means a selection that can be made by taking some or all of a finite set of things or objects is called a combination. Listen students, a selection that can be made by taking some or all of a finite set of things or object is called a combination. For example, 10 persons are there, we want select 3 persons. How many ways you can select says combination. Okay, 10 persons are there, we want select 3. How many ways you can select says combination. So combination says how many ways you can select the things. 10 things are given, you can select 1 from 10, you can select 2 from 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 from 10, 10 from 10 also can select. How many ways you can select says combination. Once again listen students, the definition: a selection that can be made by taking some or all of finite set of things or object is called a combination. So selecting 3 from 10, this is also one combination. Selecting 5 from 10 is one another combination. Like that we get several combinations. Okay students, selecting 3 from 10 symbolically written as 10C3. 10C3, the meaning is from 10 selecting 3. So first of all I want to the difference between permutations and combinations, students. From 10 persons we want select 3 and we want arrange in a row. In permutations you are using combination concept also. From 10 selecting 3 and arranging row. How many ways you can say that? 10p3 ways you can arrange. Here selecting is 10c3. Students listen the difference. The notation 10p3 and 10c3. 10p3 means from 10 selecting 3 and arranging in a row. Here 10c3 means from 10 selecting 3, only selecting 3, that is symbolic as 10c3. Here 10p3. Okay. So the meaning of combination is a selection that can be made by taking some or all of a finite set of things is called a combination. Means that for example n distinct objects are given. From n distinct object we can choose one object, or you can choose 2, 3, so on, or so on, n also you can choose. Selecting r from n, selecting r objects from n, symbolically written as NCR, or simply NR, small bracket, both are give same meaning. Okay student, selecting selecting r things from n, symbolically written as NCR, or small bracket NR, means that is also meaning NCR. Okay. Yeah students listen. For example, A comma B comma C are 3 objects. I want select 2 and again after that I want arrange in a row. How many different ways I can arrange? That says permutations. Permutations. What combination says how many ways you can select? 2 from 3. Okay. So students, permutation means 3p2, selecting 2 from 3 and arranging in a row, that says 3p2. What combination is saying that how many ways you can select 2 from 3? Okay. So what is the answer I will write here? AB, AC, BC, BA, CA, CB. So this is the value of 3p2. Nana. How many ways you can select 2 and you can arrange in a row means I can say 6 ways. What are they means I can say AB arrangement, B arrangement, AC arrangement, C arrangement, BC arrangement, CB arrangement. But here different. What is the value of this and what is the answer for this? Both should write. So from 3 elements I want select 2, only selection. AB is one selection, AC is one selection, BC is one selection, that's all. AB is one selection, AC is one selection, BC is one selection, just like persons, person A and person B. two are selected. So BA and AB both are same here. BA and AB both are same, but here in arrangements BA and AB are different, because here A is taken first place, B is taken second place. Here B is taken first place and A is taken second place. That's why here order is important. In permutation order is important. Here combination order is not important. That's why AB and B are both are treated as same. Just grouping or selecting. So selecting two persons. For example, these are three are taken as treated as persons. Selecting two of them means AB selection, person A and person B selected. So person B and person A both are same. That's why what I can say, AB and BA both are same. Similarly, AC and CA both are same. BC and CB both are same in combination sense. In combination sense, AC and CA are same, BC and CB are same. Here order is not important, here order is important. In combination, in permutation sense, AB and B are different, AC and C are different, BC and CB are different. Okay, Nana? But here combinations AB and B are same, AC and C are same, BC and CB also same. Just selecting 2 from 3. So what is the answer? I can say 1, 2, 3, only 3. The value of 3C2 equal to 3, the value of 3P2 equal to 6. Okay. So what is the formula for 3P2? 3P2 equal to 3 factorial by 3 minus 2 factorial. Similarly, what is 3C2? How to find formula? That I will explain now. Okay. So I think you people understood what the difference between permutations and combinations. Permutation means after selecting you want to arrange in a row or around the circle, whatever it may be. Generally, first of all, you need to use linear permutations. No? So NPR and NCR difference should identify. This difference should identify. So NPR means from n distinct elements selecting R and arranging in a row. That says NPR. So NCR, what says NCR? From n different elements selecting R. So what is here? N is a countable number, R is also countable number. R is countable, sometimes you can call a whole number. Okay. So what is the meaning of that? Your R should be lesser than or equal to n. Your R should be lesser than or equal to n. What is the meaning of that? From n you can select 1, you can select 2, you can select so on, you can select n. So n R lesser than or equal to n. Here also R lesser than or equal to n only. Okay, students, this is countable number, this is also countable number. NPR is countable number, NCR also countable number. Okay. Now I want to derive the formula for NCR. Nana. NPR means already we derived a formula, that is n factorial by n minus r factorial, or n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 so on, n minus r plus 1. So both are gives NPR only. For example, 5C2 given. So 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 by 3 factorial, or directly 5 should be reduced 2 times, 5 into 4 both are same. Like that, what is the formula for NCR? How to write to different formulae, how to find the value of 5C2, 6C2 directly. Okay. So I want to explain the formula, Nana. Listen. Yeah. Should notation, Nana. The number of combinations of n dissimilar things taken R at a time is denoted by NCR. 1 minute. Listen, students, the number of combinations of n dissimilar things taken R at a time denoted by NCR or CNR or both. All these three are give same meaning, Nana. NCR or CN comma R, and that permutation they will write PN comma R in permutation. So here you CN comma R and NR, just NR. All are give same meaning. So what is R? R may be 0, R equal to 0, or greater than 0 and equal to n or less than n. Okay. So that is important thing. Okay, students. Now I want to derive the formula for NCR. Okay, listen. Actually what happened, we have n objects, n different objects, n are there, n, all are different. From this n different objects, I want to select R. How many ways I can select means I can say NCR ways I can select. But what is the formula for NCR? How to find its value? So through example I will explain. First of all through example I will explain. A comma B comma C comma D are 4 different elements. Students, from these 4 I want select 3. How many different ways I can select? Okay, general without only 4 elements, directly I can say one of the answers A B C, A B D, B C D, A, C, D. So what I can say that these are the required selections. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 selections only. 4 selection. No more selection. 4 different elements are given. From 4 I want select 3. How many ways you can select means I can say that 4 ways I can select. What is the meaning of that? 4C3 value is equal to 4 in this example. From this example, what is my conclusion? 4C3 equal to 4. Similarly, 4 elements are given. Selecting 3 and arranging in a row. Selecting 3 and arranging in a row. What is that, Nana? 4P2. What is that? Sorry, 4P3. Forgot to write correctly. Wait a minute. Okay, 4 elements are given. I want select 3 and again I want arrange in a row. How many ways I can arrange? I can say 4P3. What is the answer? 4P3? 4 into 3, 12. 4P3, 12. What are them? What are the arrangements? I will write later. But what is the answer? 12. Okay. Now listen, students. Actually, my intention is to derive the formula for NCR. For that, I am using one best example. Here A, B, C, D are 4 distinct elements. From distinct elements, I want select 3 at a time. How many ways you can select means I can say 4 times I can select. 4 times. Listen, students. These are 4 combinations. Listen. This combination gives 3 factorial linear permutations. Just we got the answer. What I can say that this combination, we got 4 combinations. So take any one of the combination A, B, C. This combination gives 3 factorial permutations. What are they? A, B, C, A, C, B, okay, B, A, C, B, C, A, C, A, B, C, B, A, okay, 6 permutations. So this will give another 3 factorial linear permutation. Another combination also gives another 3 factorial linear permutations. What are they? A, B, D, A, D, B, B, A, D, B, D, A, and D, A, B, and D, B, A. I hope you people understood. So this one gives another 3 factorial linear permutation. I will write here. B, C, D, B, D, C, okay, C, B, D, C, D, B, okay, D, B, C, D, C, B. So this gives another 3 factorial linear permutations. What are they? A, C, D, A, D, C, C, A, D, C, D, A, okay, D, A, C, D, C, A. What is the meaning of that? Each combination is giving 3 factorial linear permutation. This one is giving 3 factorial permutations. So all these combinations are giving 6 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 24 linear permutation. These 24 linear permutations are nothing but just selecting 3 from 4 and arranging in a row. How many will get? Those many. Those are these 24. Okay? Okay? Yeah. So what I am saying, observe here, students. Now my question is here, students. A, B, C, D are 4 distinct elements. From 4 distinct elements, I want select 3. How many selections you will get? We don't know. Assume that there exist x selections. Here x value is 4 actually. Here x value is 4. Assume that you will get x selections. This is first selection, second selection, so on, x selections. Take any one of the selection. That selection containing 3 elements. That gives 3 factorial linear permutation. This one gives 3 factorial linear permutation. This one gives 3 factorial. This one is 3. How many 3 factorial? X 3 factorials, because I assumed that you get x combinations. Each combination is giving 3 factorial linear permutation. That's why x combinations goes x into 3 factorial linear permutation. X into 3 factorial linear permutation. This is nothing but taking 3 from 4 and arranging in a row. X into 3 factorial nothing, 24 only, no? That is nothing but what I can write? 4p3 I can write. So what is x now, Nana? 4p3 by 3 factorial. So what is x means? Number of combinations. So what happened? 4 elements are given. Selecting how many ways you can select 3 means I can say that 4p3 by 3 factorial ways you can select. 4p3 by 3 factorial. 4p3 by 3 factorial. What is the value? 4p3? 4 into 3. 3 factorial 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are. Sorry, something wrong. 4p3. 4 into 3 into 2. Okay. So 3 ones are 3. 2 get cancelled. What I got? 4. How many you got? 4. Understood? So in this way you can generalize the concept. Now I want generalize now. N distinct elements are given here. N distinct elements. N distinct. From n distinct elements I want select R. So I want find how many selections you will get. What is assumption? X selections will get. Let us assume that we will get X selections. This is first selection, second selection, third selection, so on. Xth selection, X selections you will get. So each selection will contain R elements. Each selection contains R elements. These R elements gives R factorial linear permutations. This selection gives R factorial linear permutation. This selection gives R factorial linear permutation. This selection gives R factorial linear permutation. Total how many linear permutation? X into R factorial linear permutations. X into R factorial linear permutation. This X into R factorial linear permutation nothing but selecting R from N and arranging in a row. Those many. That's why what I can say, X into R factor nothing but NPR. Therefore X is equal to what? NPR by R factorial. But what is X? What is my assumption? How many combinations you will get? How many NCR combinations? That is X means NCR only. That's what is the meaning of that. NCR is nothing but NPR by R factorial. This is the proof for this. Finalize. Now I want finalize. What I got I will write here. NCR equal to NPR by R factorial. This is the formula for NCR. Okay students, more generally NCR equal to, instead of NPR what you can write, N factorial by N minus R factorial you can write by R factorial. This is symbolically N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. This is another way you can remember. So another way how to remember I will write here. What is that Nana? N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. This is the formula for NCR. This is the for NCR. This one also formula for NCR. NPR by R factorial or N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Okay. So this is the proof for this Nana. To write notes, so I gave here notes Nana. Listen. NCR denote the number of combinations of and dissimilar things taken R at a time. Let us consider one of such combinations NCR, one of them. Okay, this combination consisting of R things in some order, because order of things is not important in combinations. We arrange these R things according to different order, we get R factorial permutations. Thus each combination gives rise to R factorial permutation. So NCR combination gives rise to NCR into R factorial combinations, permutations. Previous example NCR taken as X Nana, just here NCR is only taken. So NCR combination gives rise to NCR into R factorial permutation. So but we know that the number of permutations of n dissimilar things taken R at a time is NPR. That's why what is the meaning of that? NPR, NCR into R factorial nothing but NPR. So what is NCR? NCR equal to NPR by R factorial. In this way you can remember. If you write NPR in expanded form, so we get another form for NCR, that is N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Don't confuse. So this is the formula for NCR. Okay, so I will write here note. NPR means what? N factorial by N minus R factorial. That's R. R N into N minus 1 and so on, N minus R plus 1. Okay, so this is I can say 1. Now I want to say 2. NCR means NPR by R factorial. One thing, R what I can say, N factorial by N minus R factorial into R factorial. Or another formula also I can, that is interesting thing. N repeatedly decreased R times, N into N minus 1 into so on, N minus R plus 1 by R factorial. This one is important for us to solve the problems. Last one is important to solve the problems. Last formula is important to solve the problems. Okay students, I will show you. Listen. For example, we want find the value of 6c3. Actually, what is the meaning of 6c3, Nana? 6 different elements are there. Selecting 3. How many ways you can select? That says 6c3. According to the problem, 6p3 by 3 factorial or 6 factorial by 6 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial, which is same as 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 3 factorial, which is same as 720 by 6 into 6. 6 ones are 6, 120s are 6 ones are 6 20s are. The value of 6c3 is 20. So actual last one is very important. Last one, what is that? 6p3 means what? 6 should reduce to 3 times. 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 factorial. This is important. To find a value of combinations, instead of using the formula, instead of using this formula or this formula, we will use this. Okay, that only I wrote here. 6c3 means 6 reduced 3 times by 3 factorial. 6 reduced 3 times by 3 factorial. Understood, student? 6 reduced 3 times, we will get some element, their product by 3 factorial. What we will get? That is the answer. 3 factorial means what, Nana? 6. This get cancelled. 20, directly 20. This is the best way to find the value. What is the meaning of that? We can use this formula or this formula, but we need to use last formula to find the values. Okay. For example, 10 C 6 you want. Directly 10 should reduce 6 times. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times by 6 factorial. Simplify it, what we will get? That is the answer for 10C6. Understood, student? While finding 10P6, what you did? Actual formula 10 factorial by 10 minus 6 factorial, actual formula. But while solving problems, how you found the value, Nana? You used this formula than this. That's why what I can say, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 only. Like that, if you want find 10C6 or 5C7, 5C6, sorry, 5C6 won't happen, 5C2 or 5C3 or 11C1 or 11C2. So you will use this formula, Nana. You will use last formula. Okay, I hope you people understood. Okay, students, what I explained is that 12C4 you want. 12 factorial by 12 minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial actually. But to find its value, what should do? 12 should reduce 4 times by 4 factorial. That's all. Simple as this, what we will get? That is the answer for the problem. Okay? Yeah. Students, NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Note, if r equal to 0, what happens? Say this is 1. What happened to 1? So, NC0 equal n factorial by n factorial into 0 factorial. Okay, already you know that 0 factor treated as 1. That's why what happened? Total value is equal to 1. That's why NC0 value is taken as 1 for mathematical convenience. What the meaning? From n selecting 0 is meaningless actually. Actually, selection of this one from n selecting 0 is meaningless actually, but NC0 is taken as 1 for mathematical convenience. Okay. One thing. Next note, this is note 1 I can say. Note 2. If r equal to n means selecting all. For example, A, B, C are there. Nana. We want select 1. How many ways you can select? Means A, B, C. 3 ways you can select. Select 2. A, B, A, C, B, C. 3 ways. Selecting 3. Only one way, no? A, B, C. 3 members are there. We want to make a group or we want to select 3 at a time. Only one selection, that is A, B, C. That's why if r equal to n means what happened? NCN will get, obviously NCN value should be 1. So I will show you n factorial by n minus n factorial into n factorial. So instead of r I wrote n. So what happened here? N factorial by n factorial, that is equal to 1. That's why NCN value equal to 1. Don't confuse. NP n what nana n factorial. NC n what nana 1. Okay. Okay, students. Very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. So what is that? I will explain. N comma r are non-negative integers such that 0 lesser than or r lesser than or equal to n. Then NCR is always equal to NCn minus r. Very, very, very important. So take RHS. What is that? NCn minus r. According to the formula, I can write n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. So that is n factorial by, open it, n get cancelled, r factorial will get r factorial into n minus r factorial. Or you write in order n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the formula for NCR only, no? That is LHS. What happened? If you take in RHS, you get LHS. So in this way you can prove, or another way also there, but this is the easiest way to prove the thing. But this result is very, very, very important. Very, very, very important. Why repeatedly I am saying? For example, we want to find the value of 10C9. How to find? 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 2 by 9 factorial. What this saying then? What this saying then? NCR equal to NC n minus r only, no? What the meaning of what? 10C9 equal to 10C 10 minus 9 only. 10C1 only. So 10C9, now what I can say? 10C1. Easily you can find 10C1 value 10 only, no? 10C1 value 10 only, no? So finding this is very difficult, no? 10C9 is given. We want to find its value by using formula or without using formula. So general easiest way is this one only, 10 into 9 into, you need to reduce 9 times by 9 factorial. What you will get, that is the answer actually. So this is become difficult, no, for us. Actually it is not difficult. This is 9 factorial only, this one can cancel. Okay. But sometimes this formula is us to find the solutions easily, no? So 10C9 I want, directly what I can say, 10C9 is 10C1, that is equal to 10 only. Okay. Yeah, students. Sometimes we want to find 5C3, better to find 5C2. Both are same. So 5 factorial or 5 reduced 2 times, 5 into 4 by 1 into 2, 2 1 that 2 that equal to 10. So 5C2 value, 5C3 value equal to 10. Okay. 15C11 you want. Better method is what, nana? 15C11 is nothing but 15C4 only. Both are same. Easily you can find 15C4 value, no? 15 into 14 into 13 into 12 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 4 factor means 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 3 get cancelled. 2 1s are 2 7. Just to multiply, what we will get, that is the value of 15C11. Okay. So another important while solving problems, this is also one of the important result. What is that? NCR by NCn minus r equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. Should remember. Proof is not at all big issue. You people should remember NCR by NCn minus r. 10C3 by 10C 10 minus 3 7 equal to 10 minus 3 plus 1 by 3 directly. By using formula also you can find, but directly you get that result. Okay, students? Okay. So proof is not at all big issue, no? LHS n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial by n factorial by n minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial. Directly I wrote the step. this get cancelled. What happened? N minus r plus 1 factorial into r minus 1 factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. More generally, so k factorial can be written as k into k minus 1 factorial. That's why this one can be written as n minus r plus 1 into n minus r plus 1 minus 1. 1 get cancelled. What happened? N minus r factorial. R minus 1 factor as it is by n minus r factor as it is. So r factorial means r into r minus 1 factorial I can write. Okay students, what happened Anna? This get cancelled. This get cancelled. What will get? N minus r plus 1 by r. In this way you can remember. But should remember, that is important. Okay, what I got actually NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial, or npr by r factorial. Okay, NC0 1, NCN 1, NC1 n, NC2 n into n minus 1. Okay, n should reduce to them by 2 factorial, sorry. In this way you can find the values. So what we have formula? NCR equal to NCn minus r, important result. Another important is NCR by NCn minus r equal to n minus r plus 1 by r. So this is the concept of combinations or selections. Okay, now all are same. Selecting the things, and different things are given. From end we want select r. Selection. After selecting, what we want to do, that is later. We can arrange or whatever it may be. But selection, just selection. From n we want select r, symbolic written as NCR. The value is equal to this. I hope you people understood the concept. Okay. Yeah, some problems are given. I want to solve this problem. First problem, NC4 equal to NC6, then find the n value. We have formula, or without formula also can find. What is this? N factorial by n minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial equal to n factorial by n minus 6 factorial into 6 factorial. N factor get cancelled. Okay students, what I can write? N minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial equal to n minus 6 into n minus 7 factorial, but I want to rewrite this. Okay, n minus 4 factorial can be written as n minus 4 into n minus 5 factorial. One should subtract, no? N minus 5 factorial or n minus 5 into n minus 6 factorial I can write into 4 factorial as it is equal to n minus 6 factorial into 6 into 5 into 4 factorial. Okay students, so what I can say, this get cancelled, 4 factor get cancelled, n minus 4 into n minus 5 equal to 6 into 5. Okay, obviously value is decrease, you know, I can say n minus 4 equal to 6, n equal to 10, so the value of n is equal to 10, or by using quadratic concept also we get the same result. Multiply, and by using quadratic, two values you will get, one of them is get negative or non integer, one is integer, that is taken as 10. Okay, in this way you people can complete remaining problem, students. Remaining problem you can complete. So my next problem, find the number of ways of selecting 7 members from containment of 10 soldiers. Okay, 10 soldiers are there, we want to select 7. So fifth, first directly I can write 10 C7, from 10 selecting 7. Okay, fifth main, first complete. Second one, find the number of ways of selecting 3 girls and 4 boys out of 7 girls and 6 boys. Interesting problem, super problem. Students, this is interesting. Yeah, listen. Yeah, you need to write table for this one actually. Okay, boys, girls, boys and girls. How many how many boys? 6 boys. How many girls? 7 girls. How many boys you want? 3 boys you want. How many girls you want? 3 girls you want. Okay, students. So from 6 boys I want 3. How many ways you can select? 6 is 3 ways you can select. One operation is completed. Into. Next I want 3 girls from 7. 3 girls from 7. How many ways I can select? 7C 3 ways I can select. Second operation is completed. So the required number of selections is 6C3 into 7C3. Okay. Students, once again listen. Interesting problem, important model. Okay. Find the number of ways of selecting 3 girls and 3 boys out of 7 girls and 6 boys. So you need to write table. We want 3 boys from 6. After that, we need to select girls. Okay. One operation is depend upon other. Okay. So what I can say, first of all, I want to select 3 from 6. That can be happen in 6 3 ways. Into I want 3 girls from 7. That happens 7C 3 ways. Total operation is 6C3 into 7 3. Okay, you can find its value also. 6 into 5 into 4 by 1 into 2 into 3. So 20 into 7C3. 7 into 6 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3. Cancel 35. 35 2s are 70. 0. The value is 700. 700 ways you can select. Okay. So what is the value of this actually? 10C3 I can say. 10C7 and 10C3 both are same. 10C3 means 10 into 9 into 8 by 1 into 2 into 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. 2 1s are 2 4s are. 4 12 120. So that is equal to 120. Okay. Next problem. Find the number of ways of selecting. Find the number of ways of selecting 3 vowels and 2 consonants from the letter of the word Venugopal. First of all, I want to identify what are the vowels and consonant. This is vowel, this is vowel, this is vowel, this is vowel. So I will write all first of all. E, U, O, A. Remain consonants I will write V, N, G, P, L. Okay, how many vowels are there here? And how many consonants? Listen, how many vowels? 4 vowels. How many consonants? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consonants. But how many you want? 3 vowels I want and 2 consonants. 2 vowels you want and 3 vowels you want and 2 consonants. So from 4 I want select 3 vowels that happen in 4C3 ways. One operation is completed. Next I want 2 consonants from 5. So how many ways I can select? 5C2 ways. Therefore what is the answer? 4C3 into 5C2. 4C3 or 4C1 both are same, no? NCR equal NC n minus R into 5C2 means 10. This is 4. Totally 40 ways you can select.